Okay, in this video, I'm going to be giving you a keyword research full overview from inside the Niche Traffic Builder application. And some of the things we're going to cover are the monthly search volume in Google, monthly visitors, how many people you would get if you had the first position on the first page, competition and how to evaluate that, site strategy, what are you going to do with the site once you build it, Google search results. What's your competition like? Who do you have to beat out in order to take the #1 position? Average cost per click. If you were to run AdSense on your websites, how much would Google pay you for that click? Domain availability. We're going to look at the hyphenated and non-hyphenated domain names, all keyword exact match. And then we're going to talk about domain registration, and I'm going to show you live how we can register right from the Niche Traffic Builder application. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to this. Okay, here we are back on Niche Traffic Builder, and what we're looking at right now is the keyword children. So we've already pulled the results, and so what I'm going to do now is check the competition, and we're going to go through all of the different things involved with this. You see here, searches, well, that is the amount of times that people look for this keyword every month. Visitors, that is the amount of times that you would have people visit your actual website. Doesn't matter, we're going from lowest to highest now. What we actually want to know is the competition. So I'm going to run the competition on the whole list. And now that we have that back, let's go ahead and take a look here. Okay, we are going to sort by competition. Actually, we want to go lowest competition to highest competition. Okay, let's go ahead and look through the list now and see what we've got. We've sorted by lowest competition to highest competition. Looks like it gets pretty competitive pretty quickly, but at the same time we can beat almost any of these. So let's start at the bottom here and see what we've got for searches. Look at that one there. Children Act 2004 summary. Okay? It's getting 1,600 searches, and you've only got 371 competitors. Alright, next one. Obesity in children statistics. Depending if there's a domain, you're going to rank for that in like a week. Let's see now. Careers with children. Oh, I like that. There's a time management, maybe like an Eben Pagan time management deal product in there. Concussion in children. Whoa. I mean, you can do that, but it seems like it'd be a little traumatic just to research. Children's raincoats. There we go. There's a nice product that we could sell some. If you could sell 500 of those a month and make $10 on every one, there is $5,000. Let's see. Carter's children's clothing. I like that too, just because my little guy wears Carter's. They have them here in Colombia as well as in the States. So I know it's a worldwide brand. Let's see. Primigi. The only thing is, if you're gonna do something where you're using someone's brand, promote their product. Don't pull them away from it unless they specifically forbid you from doing it. Then you kind of have to promote someone else's product. So let's see, moving on. Bank accounts for children. I love that, and look how low the competition is. Bank accounts for children would probably be good. There's somebody willing to pay you for leads on those, I can almost bet. Alright, so let's keep moving down the list here. Children's sleepings bag. That's great. Sleep problems in children. If you were going to buy the other children's raincoat, you'd probably want to pick up children raincoats as well. There's an interesting one. Adopting Haitian children. Children's trainers, children's slippers, children's aprons. That's a fascinating one. Children's aprons, okay? I didn't know there was such a thing as children's aprons, but I bet you we're going to find that, well, one, the competition's not too great. If we can get some domains on that, that's going to be pretty solid. Exercise for children. Creative play for children? No. Alright, that's about as much competition as I want to mess with. We can really go, all the way down here to 200,000-300,000, no problem. Okay, we're just going to be so much more dialed in. But you don't want to mess with the 500,000 and whatnot. Alright, so let's take that list. Let's go over to our selected list now. Take a closer look at them. Alright, here, what you could do is just, let's take a look at where we've got some type of commercial value. We've gone through the search volume, the visitors, the competition. We got to kind of look at what our strategy is. So are we going to sell a product? Are we going to do information? Are we going to do some sort of affiliate offer? I like this one, children's raincoats. First thing we need to do, we've run the competition. Let's go ahead and hit the domains. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, so obesity in children statistics. You can get the .com. Whenever there's 8, that means that the no-.com version is available. So let's look at Carter's children's clothing. I like that too. And bank accounts for children. That's solid. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look, and we'll analyze something here. Let's see what that pays in AdSense on bank accounts for children. Oh, look at that. I shouldn't be doing this on a video. 7 domains available. Now, granted, you're going to have to go against Investopedia and Bank of America, but no one's got it. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and buy this. Why not? I'm going to build me an AdSense site on there at $6.21 a click. And this is a definite good one. So we're going to say good. And we're going to come down here and let's go ahead and grab that domain. That means the .net is available. I kind of like the .net domains for banking and financing type stuff. Just look at the way it looks. Bankaccountsforchildren.com. Now, we can click real quick here. Let's go see what's on that site. With our luck, it'll be a parked hosting deal. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, so we've got zero competition.co. It looks like this is some type of park page. Okay, so let's kill that. Jump back over here and get that .net. Add that to our cart. All right, we got a bunch in here. I just kind of throw them there every once in a while, but what we're going to do is check out. You have to click check out. And then anything you don't want, you can do real easily here. All we're going to do is get the one, the bank accounts for children right now. If you look quick, you can see some of my other niches there. And then we're going to kill these SEO items as well. All right, $10 domain. That's doing its processing, and we have enough credit to buy that. So we're just going to agree to the terms and complete the order. Boom, that's it. I have just bought that domain, and the next step will be to set up the project from there. But as you can see, we've got a term that is bank accounts for children, and it doesn't have that much competition. We're probably going to rank for it rather quickly. We got the non-hyphenated .net domain. Then the next step would be to find a product that we could promote to them. And, there's a lot of ways you can go about that. But that's a subject for a different video. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.